Deep in the Egyptian desert, there is a structure so massive, so precise, that even today we don't fully understand how it was built. The Great Pyramid of Giza. The Great Pyramid is the oldest and largest of the three pyramids at Giza. It was built over 4,500 years ago. For nearly 4,000 years, it remained the tallest man-made structure on Earth. Each stone block weighs between 2 to 80 tons. Over 2 million blocks were used. That's enough concrete to build a wall around the entire Earth. Inside the pyramid, the temperature is always 20 degrees Celsius, no matter how hot it gets outside. And there's no air conditioning or electricity. Deep inside lies the king's chamber, a room made entirely of red granite brought from 500 miles away. In the center sits an empty sarcophagus. No mummy was ever found inside. Keep out the ancient Egyptians how they cut and move 80-ton stones with such precision. The gaps between stones are less than a millimeter wide. You can't fit a credit card between them. The three pyramids at Giza are aligned perfectly with Orion's Belt, the same stars the ancient Egyptians believed were the home of their gods. Coincidence or careful planning? Engineers say, even with modern cranes and technology, rebuilding the Great Pyramid today would be nearly impossible. So how did they do it 4,500 years ago? We still don't have a complete answer. The pyramids were once covered in polished white limestone. They shone like mirrors, reflecting sunlight for miles. The ancient Egyptians called it the Light of Egypt. Today, most of that casing is gone. The pyramids are more than just tombs. They are a message from the past, that thousands of years ago, a civilization achieved something we still can't explain, and some secrets may never be fully uncovered.